question arises in my mind about negativity. Many people say that I can't stop my negative thought, and how do I convince my mind to do good things and how to start implementing good habits. So, tell us
Right.
about you, how you implemented that, and how you get the rid of negative thoughts, and how you convince your mind.
Yeah, that was nice question. So see, like we all are human beings, we go through this zone of negativity.
Yes.
Uh, so like I would like to tell you one example here. Like see, if you're watching Ramayana on YouTube, even
Okay.
there we have a dislike button,
Yeah.
right? So
Yeah.
so even that big story, like it's like a God story where we can get all the values, but still
Okay.
that has dislike button. And
Yeah.
this all negativity is like just like how you're taking, how you're
Okay.
utilizing your mind. And
Okay.
the one trick which I use to stop this negativity is like objection handling. What is the
Okay.
objection handling now? So suppose
Okay.
if I'm getting any negative thought, suppose like you think that my past was very bad, you think that I'm not getting any result, you think that I'm not getting any job. So what you need to do is once you get this negative thought, you need to push positive thoughts on your own. You need to push positive things from yourself. Like
Okay.
I have life, like I have got this human life, which is really good thing which I have. I can do all the things. I can change my life.
Okay.
I can start doing the things which I love, and I start working on it so that I can get the results. And I came so far. I have come so long, and I'm ready to put some more effort to go further also. So if you're putting more positive thoughts across your negative, then that positive thoughts will make your mind more positive. It will make that positive environment, and you will start doing something. If in case if you're
Okay.
just thinking about one negative thing, one negative thought, then it will end up creating multiple negative thoughts. Like if you get one
Okay.
negative thought, you will again think another thought, and there are like 60,000 thoughts which human gets on an average on daily basis.
Okay.
So and all these thoughts are like repetitive. They are repetitive in nature. So like what you're doing with your life, like what you want your mind to deal with, only the negativity, only the thought which will not matter you after 5 years. So don't waste 5 minutes also on them. It's better that you
Okay.
just push positive thoughts, push that all the positive things in your life, have that gratitude that you got a human life, and nothing
Okay.
better can happen if we have that human life with us. Like we have that human life, so you should always think about positivity, and positivity will always leads to success is what I feel.
Okay.
That's the key.
So, okay, okay, that's the key, and that's great. And one more
Yeah,
question I want to ask you about that. What is the true happiness?
true happiness, self-awareness is the true happiness, Bhushan. Like you having awareness about yourself, of doing
Okay.
something which you really love, putting all your energy on that one thing, so that
Okay.
you are doing something which you are really happy. And
Yeah.
once you start doing things which you are really happy, then
Okay.
you are more productive. Because if you don't love some, if you don't love anything, if you don't love something, if you're doing that
Okay.
same thing again and again, that will not have that productivity, that also will not carry the interest in you. So
Okay.
doing what you love, doing what you are passionate about is all about that happiness.
Okay, and regarding this, I also add one more question about many people don't know their passion. They are
Yeah.
struggling with how to find passion, and
Yes.
many people say that
Yes.
ask me many times how I
Yeah.
find what I love to do. So, what is
Yeah.
your mantra for that?
So yeah, mantra for that, it is like don't have any judgment on what will people like, what will my friends like. You need to find your passion, and how to do that is like trying things. You need to try multiple things. When you are in age of 20, 30, 40, or 50 also, try many things. Try doing something. You love dancing, do dancing. You love singing, you do singing. You are good about something like preparing some good dishes, do that. You love something like helping people in terms of giving them values, teaching them something, do that. Like try things, taste them, start posting content across all the social platforms, create a video, start posting it, start posting on daily basis, see which one is working for you. Once you start
Okay,
posting that on social platforms, you will come to know that which one is working for me. which videos got the maximum views. And
Okay.
once you start getting that results, once you start knowing that yeah, this is working for me, yes, this is gonna
Okay.
help people, yes, this is gonna make me feel better by doing this. So once you
Okay.
start figuring it out, you will automatically come to know that what is my passion about, like what I need to do, what I need to put across. So
Okay.
trying, testing, and then figuring out what is your passion will help you to find out what your passion is. So trying and testing things. If you're
Okay.
not aware about what is your passion, I want you to try each and everything. Try all the things which you love. Keep on doing, see which works for you, and prepare content across it. Prepare a video across it, prepare a post across it, prepare an article across it, and start posting on social platforms. And don't worry about
Okay.
the judgment of others. Don't worry about the
Okay.
judgment. You need to give zero thoughts to the outside world. You need to give that zero affirmation. But whatever you're putting out, whatever you're giving to the world, should have that value, should have that strategy, should be in form
Okay.
of information, or it should have some entertainment. So these both things
Okay.
really works. And if you're putting across your content in information and entertainment, you will definitely figure it out your passion.
Okay, great, great.
Yeah,
And I want to also ask you about perfection. Many people think that while after shooting the video, they
yeah,
said this video is not my perfect. I'm not
yeah,
looking
yeah.
perfect. I
Yes.
want to ask you that is perfection is an illusion?
Yes, perfection is definitely an illusion, and I will support this by saying this. See, if I would have believed in perfection, then I would have never created my first video.
Okay,
I would have never started doing something. I started creating videos because because the thoughts come that no, my beard is big, my mustache is
yeah,
not right, I
okay,
don't have hair, or whatever it is. Like
okay,
if you're waiting for that perfection, you will never start. You'll never start.
okay,
And perfection is just an excuse. It's just an excuse where you don't start anything. And I want to tell everyone that taking that imperfect action, as Rahul Bhatnagar and Saurabh Bhatnagar says, that you need to take that imperfect action. And if you check my YouTube channel, I have also started taking that imperfect action. My first
yeah,
video
yeah,
which I created, I feel that I'm really very nervous. I
okay,
also feel that I feel that it's so embarrassing to post. But I
okay,
didn't stop. I didn't had any judgment of others. And
okay,
waiting for that perfection will put you into the place where you're not doing something. And
okay,
don't go for perfection. Don't wait for perfection. It's
hmm.
just that you putting something, you put across, no matter what it is, put it out. Let world see. Let world decide.
Okay, Sachin, I request audience, we will take your question in the last section.
बस भी नहीं
Uh,
आती भाई.
okay, so my next question is about what is the
Sachin,
importance?
Sachin. Sorry to interrupt, Bhushan.
Okay,
Hey
yes,
Sachin,
yes, go
hi
ahead.
bro. Thank you so much. I am loving that comment, bro. 500 subscribers भी नहीं आते. अरे यार मतलब स्टार्ट अभी किया है. अभी आएंगे, सब आएंगे. तू आए, सब आएंगे भाई.
Okay, bhai. So,
Yeah.
while doing any work, we need accountability partner, right? So, what
Yes.
is the importance of accountability partner while doing any
See,
work?
Bhush, yes, yes, yes. So see, Bhushan, like in our life, we are accountable of many things.
Yeah.
We want our life to be in better place. We want to make ourselves more successful. And
Hmm.
in this process, in this journey, it happens that you get demotivated sometimes. It happens
Yeah,
that
yeah,
you will not get any result. At that time,
yeah,
you should have some accountable partner, like whom you're
yeah.
accountable, whom you're
Yes.
responsible for. And that
Okay.
accountable partner should help you, should pick you out from all those difficulties, should support you, should inspire you.
Hmm.
And
Hmm.
when he is doing that thing to you, you should also do the same thing for him. So that is
Okay.
how accountability partner works. Like you are accountable for so many things. And in this
Okay.
process, it's a big process because you're not looking for the short term goal. You're looking
Okay.
for that long term goal. And when you're looking for
Okay.
the long term goal, there will be phases where you will not be getting any results. There will be
Yeah.
phases where you have that state where you are not able to do something. You need
Okay.
that outside world inspiration. You need someone to pat on your back and tell that yes, keep going, keep doing,
Yeah.
keep
Yeah.
inspiring. And when someone is there, like someone is well, like when we have someone who is accountable for us, then we keep doing something, we keep on going. And like it should be vice versa. Like if you are dependent on an accountable partner, that
Uh,
accountability partner should also depend on you. So you should both support each other in each and every phase.
okay. और मैं I would
Thank you,
like to say
Sachin.
that
Thank